In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a highlight table in Tableau, a crucial skill in Tableau data visualization. Whether you're new to data visualization or refining your skills, creating highlight tables can be an excellent way to showcase key differences in your data visually. So, let's jump right into it. First, the journey begins by launching the Tableau application. Ensure that your version is updated to the latest one for optimal performance. From your dashboard, access your worksheet where we'd be building our highlight table. Make sure you have the data set ready that you want to work with. Your workbook is your playground, so having all the necessary data at your fingertips is crucial. Once you're in your worksheet, let's start by focusing on the category field. Click on it to select it, and then press and hold the Ctrl key to allow for multiple selections. This step is essential as it enables us to choose other required fields without deselecting the first. Next, while still holding down the Ctrl key, select the sales field. This combination of fields will allow us to visualize the relationship between different categories and their corresponding sales figures. With both category and sales selected, go to the Show Me panel on the right side of your screen. This panel contains different visualization options that Tableau offers. Here, you'll find the highlight table chart. Click on it to apply it to your selected data fields, and you'll see a basic highlight table appear. Now, let's enhance this visualization further. Drag the subcategory field to the rows shelf. This action will break down the sales figures further into subcategories, giving more granular insights into your data. This drill down will allow for a more detailed analysis across various segments. Continuing with our enhancement, drag the order date field to the column shelf. Placing the order date here allows you to visualize how sales figures vary over time, adding another dimension to your analysis. However, just having the order date isn't enough. We aim for more detail here. To break down the data per quarter, click on the order date in the column shelf and select the quarter option. This action will split the yearly data into 4 segments, giving you a more precise view of how trends change over the year. After setting up all the necessary fields and refining your highlight table, it's time to clean up the workspace for better focusing. Simply hide the Show Me menu by clicking on it again to collapse it. This will give you a full view of your highlight table, devoid of any distractions, and there you have it, an insightful highlight table that provides clear visual comparisons of sales across categories, subcategories, and over time. Practice these steps, tweak with different data sets, and soon you'll be proficient in creating impressive and informative highlight tables in Tableau. Thanks for joining me, and stay curious with your data.